Happy November, San Ramon Tri-Valley. As we head deeper into the fall season, it's time for your November market update. Hi, I'm Luana Pereira with Keller Williams Realty and Homes by Luana, your local market expert specializing in the San Ramon Tri-Valley and surrounding East Bay communities. Let's start with what's happening nationally. And this month, the story is all about changing buyer profiles, steadying mortgage rates, and shifting expectations. First-time home buyers are pulling back. The National Association of Realtors report that first-time home buyers now make up just 21% of buyers nationwide, a record low, and the average age of a first-time buyer is now 40 years. This means fewer entry-level buyers and a shift towards move-up, downsizing, and lifestyle buyers. Nearly 900,000 U.S. home buyers are underwater and now owe more than their home is worth. Foreclosures jumped 19% in October as the housing market shows new strain across the U.S. And despite all the recent buzz around 50-year mortgages, they still face significant regulatory and investor hurdles before they can even become an option to consumers. In other mortgage news, mortgage rates retreat slightly. According to Bankrate, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate dipped to around 6.29% as of November 12th, down slightly from 6.31% the previous week. While this hasn't sparked a major surge in buyer activity yet, it's improving affordability and keeping rates out of the danger zone. For buyers, that means a little more breathing room, and for sellers, it means stability, no sharp jumps in borrowing costs that could discourage offers. Home price growth is cooling while inventory rises. Across the U.S., appreciation is slowing and some markets now have the highest inventory levels since 2019. This trend is giving buyers more choice and forcing sellers to price strategically and focus more on the presentation of their homes. Moving on to the East Bay market. Here in the East Bay, buyers haven't been scared of higher prices. Sales remain unchanged from October 2024, but have now increased for the third straight month. Prices also rose up from both August and September 2025 and higher than this time last year. Why the strength? Fewer choices compared to earlier this year created pent-up demand, and even though inventory is higher than last October, buyers are still competing for quality listings. Homes averaged 31 days on market here in the East Bay, up from 25 days a year ago. But more importantly, buyers are acting with 100 more pending sales than last October, signaling solid fall activity here in the East Bay. And now let's get local and look at the San Ramon Tri-Valley numbers. Inventory, more homes available nearly everywhere. Dublin had 42 active listings, up 75%, while Livermore reached 90, up nearly 60%. Prices mostly down. Alamo averaged $2,185,000, down over 30%. Danville and San Ramon also saw modest declines. Sales, a mixed picture. Danville and Dublin both surged, up over 50%, while Livermore and Pleasanton fell about 18%. So what does all of this mean for you? As we move closer to the end of the year, the market is showing signs of balance. And with balance comes opportunity. For buyers, this is the most favorable stretch we've seen in months. Slightly lower mortgage rates, growing inventory, and sellers becoming more flexible mean more negotiating power and better home choices. If you've been waiting for conditions to improve, this may be the time to make your move before competition ramps back up in early 2026. For sellers, buyers today are informed, cautious, and value-driven. Pricing right from the start, professional presentation, and expert marketing are what separate homes that sell quickly from those that sit on the market. The good news, serious buyers are still out there and well-priced homes are still selling. Final thoughts, every market is unique and understanding the why behind the numbers is what helps you make confident decisions. Again, I'm Luana Pereira with Keller Williams Realty and Homes by Luana, your trusted resource with data-driven real estate insights across the San Ramon Tri-Valley and East Bay. And as we gather with family and friends later this month to celebrate the Thanksgiving holidays, we wanted to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to you, our valued clients, friends, and followers. Your trust and support have meant the world to us, and we are truly thankful for the opportunity to serve you. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday, and we'll see you next month.